नमस्ते सभी को, स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आज हम लोगों के साथ DCB बैंक जंप्स ओवर 8% टू 6-year हाई एस Q3 नेट प्रॉफिट raises and 22%. DCB Bank's scrips and jumps 8.26% to 198, the highest level since January 21, 2020 on the National Stock Exchange (NSE). DCB Bank share price surged to 6-year high on January 27, 2026. DCB Bank share price surged to the highest level in the 6-year on Tuesday as its net profit and net interest income increased in the third quarter Q3 financial year 2026. The scrip jumps 8.26% to 198, the highest level since January 21, 2020 on the National Stock Exchange. The counter saw a trade of 9.4 million shares on the NSE thus far. Its market capitalization was at the 6,296.3 crore. In the last 12 months, DCB Bank share price rose 66.13% as against at 9.54% advance in the Nifty 50 index. As of 11:36 a.m., DCB Bank share price was trading 6.72% higher at the 195.04 compared to a 0.05% decline in the Nifty 50 index. Why did DCB Bank share price raise today? DCB Bank share price hit a 6-year high on Tuesday as the company reported on the increase in NIL and net profit of Q3 financial year 2026. The NIL rose 9% year on year, 625 crore from 543 crore in the same quarter a year ago period. For DCB Bank, so it is the net profit raised 22% YoY to the 185 crore in Q3 financial year 2026 from 151 crore a year ago. The company said in the exchange filing the net interest margin of DCB Bank was at 3.27% in the December quarter from 3.30% in the same quarter a year ago. The private bank's gross non-performing assets, the GNPA, was at 2.72% in the December quarter, 2.91% in the pending the quarter. DCB Bank net non-performing assets was at 1.10% in the December quarter, compared to 1.21%. Credit costs remain began with the slippage and